Hello guys! Hello mga guys! Update muna tayo ngayon. Nandito na tayo sa
Airport.
where are we?
Airport.
Davao Airport.
Airport.
Where are we going?
Airport.
Where are we going?
Airport.
Not going. We're going to Manila.
We're going to Manila.
Remaining passengers
We're going to Manila, guys.
820
Bye.
for Manila.
My baby. Open. What are you doing?
I'm eating.
Eating already? Where did you wear your seatbelt? Seatbelt on? Yeah.
I think and for light
It's a lamp.
lamp for kite.
Fasten your seatbelt and wrap your arms around your infant's waist. Your life vests are found under your seat.
Landing.
On a water landing, remove sharp objects from your
Prinsesa. Go, go. Forward. There, oh. Go. Ah.
Ladies and gentlemen, as the aircraft is being refilled,
So we're going to see
store
that.
your personal bag under the seat in front of you for easy access to your valuables and essential items.
Airport. We're gonna land. Hey, Bini. You what Bini are you? Ooh. There you go. Here you go. Thank you. Thank you. Bye bye. Thank you. Welcome to Singapore. Push. Singapore, baby. Yan si Prisha, oh, nagtutulak na ng ano, trolley. Go, girl. Uy. Ibe. Yan ang flower garden, Bea.
Your attention, please. Departure gate for Singapore Airlines flight.
We're eating, guys. Dinner here. Ay, ano ngayon? Lunch na pala ngayon. Lunchtime here in Singapore. We're having dumpling soup.
Sarap din. Nagustuhan ko yung lasa.
Sarap pa.
Oo. May sabaw. Ang sarap sa sikmura.
Hindi na tayo mamatay nito sa gutom. Grabe. Dumpling soup. Pork brisket something. Napisa kumakain. Hello guys! Dito kami ngayon sa Singapore and then punta kami sa Jewel. Galing kami sa Terminal 1 and then lumabas kami through immigration and then iniskan lang nila yung passport namin. Akala namin tatakan yung passport namin. May kasama pala akong friend guys. Yan. Bagong friend. Ito na guys, palabas na kami ng airport, Terminal 1. Punta kami sa Jewel. Yung baby namin oh. Risha! Punta kami sa Jewel. Yeah! Finally. Jewel. Welcome to Jewel. Akit kami sa taas guys, sa Jewel. Guys, naami diri karon sa Jewel. Nagsuroy-suroy lang mi diri. Entry to Canopy Hedge. May bayad yan. Hedge maze. Saan tayo ikot para makapunta doon?
Ay, nalula ako.
We are here at Jewel. Picture kayo? Saan? Ah, dyan nga. Doon sa may unggoy, oh. Dito tayo dadaan. Guys, dito kami ngayon sa Canopy Park, dito sa Jewel. May bayad siya na $8. And si Prisha din may bayad siya. Ito lang pinuntahan namin kasi dito lang siya allowed. Hindi siya pwede mag-slide or kung ano pa kasi may height limit. Wow! What's that? Cute. Prisha. We are here at Jewel. Nakakahilo yung tubig. A scary cat. Prisha, you can lie down here, oh. Baby. Ano yun? Bermuda? Grabe, no? Paano kaya ito na ginawa?
Kaya, ano? Nakakatakot, diba?
Ano yun? Sa may roof? Where are you going? Nak! Keep your head. Inside. There. Pagod na ang mga mother. Naka-ceiling fan pa sila, be.
Ko ba pahin mo nananama ko. Ni tani everyone ikaw ba daw ulun hula awal andulat nanarigit no na nga bye ko ba pahin mo ama Nisan yang merasa selong Elias hanimi kita batau Podol fula Podol tebas Anak namin
Paging passengers for Kentucky, South Korea, and Lady
bawal ang dulan Kada digit-digit Nona Tinga dan
Ayaw lagi. Kaya nga ni. Ini, ano kung ginagal mo kung kanan? Kontinent 1320. Ay.
Hello guys! Pabalik na pala kami sa India guys. And naging smooth naman ang aming flight from Davao to Manila. Tsaka Manila to Singapore. Wala namang delay. And then doon sa Naya Terminal 3, yung kanilang terminal is walang charging area doon sa gate namin. Tapos, dead na yung battery ko. Yun lang ang mga hindi magandang experience ko doon sa Naiya Terminal. Walang charger. And then, tawag doon. And compare sa yung immigration naman namin guys, is smooth lang din ang process. Diretso tatak lang. Tinanong lang about sa ang aming OCI and then tatak na agad. So yun lang, akala ko marami silang tanong. Doon naman kami sa priority area kasi may bata ako. So yun nga. Hindi smooth lahat. Pagdating naman dito sa Singapore, may layover kami na 12 hours dito sa Singapore and lumabas kami sa airport. Punta kami ng Jewel, which is outside sa Terminal 1. Tapos yung lang namin na experience ko is yung in-scan lang yung passport and then mag-email lang sila about sa paglabas at pagpasok mo sa Singapore. Yun lang, email. Akala ko tatatakan yung passport. Scan lang nila tapos fingerprint. Yun lang. Easy.